Again, Anthony here, Total Lifting Solutions. I just want to go through the job here at Ballina for the moment. And at the moment, whilst we've got temporary power coming into here, and I'm just doing this so that you can show once it's all powered up, everything will be right. So I've just got some temporary 240 volt power at the moment coming through. Now if I happen to lose power or power gets turned off from maintenance point of view, so I'm off now, we turn the power on, so we've repowered. You'll see the light here is now actually flashing. So we're going to push that flash stop. Now it's ready to run. Now having said that, with tolerances and everything else, I'm going to suggest that the door needs to be opened for the lift to operate. So let's go around and just push that door open for a moment. Gets a little bit sun glary, but we can just open that up. Where I'm coming from is you can just see down the bottom, we've actually got a gap. We've got a gap there. We're not allowed to have an excessive gap. And having said that, with the door down and its tolerances, everything's a bit neat. So I'm just going to take that to that level for the moment. The lift needs to be down because of these sensors as well. Okay, so the sensors it's going to detect, and the door won't go down unless if there's something in the way. So if the lift's up, the door won't go down. So we need to lift the lift all the way down to close the door. Again, open the door to operate the lift. My assumption is at the time of this recording that we're actually going through the cycle of unloading a vehicle. So there's no real reason that the lift should be operating without the door open in my mind. Now, having said that, we've got our permanent power and a bit of sun glare. So we've got permanent power. We've got our lights happening here. All right, so that's ready to go up. If we happen to lift the door up, well, hang on, my shifter's there. If we happen to lift a gate up, we should see the light flashing. And again, the light will be flashing. Now that will stop. If the lift was moving, this sun glare is a bit challenging. If the lift was moving, now we let the gate down, okay, come across, and it's good to go. If this light's flashing, then it would be pay to come around and just have a look. We've got a little red light here, a little red light there, and sometimes just maybe. Okay, so now we're going to press to hold up. The sun glare is pretty ordinary. So we're going to hold the up button. We've got to hold that on for now, and it's going to stop when it gets to the landing. So here's the landing here. Okay, so it's going to stop at the floor level, and I'm holding the button on. Okay, now whilst my hand's on the button, it's going to stop. It's stopped. If I take my hand off and press again, I can continue to travel to the truck deck level. Now, again, it's stopped to hold. If I'm going down, it's going to do the same thing, and it's going to stop at floor level. And my hand's still on the button. Take my hand off, push my hand on, and off it goes again. So now that we've got that all happening, everything's wonderful. Now I'm going to put a QR code on here, and anytime you can want to see this video again into the future, there'll be a QR code here and it'll go blip, and it'll take you to more specific training around this lift at Ballina. We'll just open up, and I'm getting a little bit more technical, but we've got electrical drawings in here as well, and everything's going. This button is a maintenance mode if we want to go up, and this is a manual mode to go down. Alrighty. Upwards and onwards. Hope that all works for you, and if there's any questions you can reach out, maybe drop a message below. Take care. Bye for now.